Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you're someone who is working full time but still dreaming of getting into IITs, NITs or SPA through GATE architecture and planning, this video is for you. Balancing a job and GATE prep is tough, but not impossible. I'll share how you can prepare smartly even with a 9 to 5 job and still score a good rank in GATE architecture 2026. The reality check, working professionals challenge. Accept your constraint. Your schedule won't mirror that a full-time student. Success requires acknowledging time limitation and building a realistic, sustainable study routine around your work commitment. The goal isn't to study more hours. It's to study smarter with the hour you have available. Strategic time allocation for maximum impact. Before office, 1 to 1.5 hours tackle challenging subject require deep concentration, building structures, building services, technical concept. After office, 1 to 2 hours focus on review and practice, daily revision session, previous year question, light reading topics. On weekends, 10 to 12 hours, intensive study session, mock test attempts, comprehensive note making, topic deep dives. High yield topic focus where it counts. Working professional must prioritize strategically. Not every topic carries equal weightage in GATE architecture. Invest your limited time where returns are highest. Architecture core includes architectural history and theory, construction, technology, building services and system, design and analysis. Planning essentials includes urban planning theories, planning acts and regulation, housing and infrastructure, environmental planning. In general aptitude, verbal ability, numerical ability, easy 15 marks never skip, high accuracy potential. Micro study technique for busy schedule, master time fragmentation. Your biggest challenge as a working aspirant is fragmented time. Convert every spare moment into learning opportunity through targeted micro session. These small study blocks compound quickly, transforming ideal moment into consistent progress toward your GATE architecture goal. 15-minute session, flashback review during lunch break, 10 minutes refreshers, revision during commute time, quick video clip, short educational videos for concept clarity. Weekend power strategy. Saturday morning through revision for one complete subject area. Saturday afternoon subject wise practice test with time constraint. Sunday morning full length mock test under exam conditions. Sunday afternoon detailed analysis of mistake and weak areas. Critical success factors. Always analyze your error the same day. This immediately feedback loop is where genuine improvement happens and knowledge gaps get filled effectively. The power of guided preparation. Why self study alone isn't enough. When juggling work and preparation, having structured guidance eliminates wasted effort. You don't need to figure everything out alone. Leverage expert designed programs that understand your constraint. Safal Together's GATE architecture program specifically address working professionals' need with flexible, focused content delivery and comprehensive support system. Shuffle together your strategic advantage. Flexible class format, access record lecture anytime plus attend live session on weekend. Study on your schedule without sacrificing work commitments. Concise study material, visual slides and short note designed for quick comprehensive, no wasted on lengthy textbook or unnecessary details. Topic wise previous year practice, previous year question organized by subject for targeted practice, understand exam pattern and improve accuracy systematically. mock tests with analysis, regular full-length tests with detailed performance analytics, identify weakness and track improvement throughout your preparation journey. Success matters, track your progress. 60-month study hours, easy general aptitude marks, 8 weekly mock tests. Your journey starts today. Set clear goals, define target institutions and required rank. Build your routine, create a sustainable daily, weekly study schedule. Join Safal together, get structured guidance designed for working professionals. Execute consistently, trust the process and stay committed to your dream. Success in gate architecture while working isn't about having more time. It's about making the most of the time you have. Your dedication combined with smart strategy will open doors to Premium Institute. Ready to begin your preparation journey? Subscribe for more gate architecture strategy and join thousands of working professionals achieving their academic dreams. So, remember, GATE is not about studying 10 hours a day, it's about consistency and clarity. Even 2-3 focused hours daily guided by right plan can make you crack it. You are already managing a job, that means you have discipline. Now you just need direction. So start today, pick one topic, one goal, and move forward step by step. If you need help structuring your preparation, join me on Safal Together Warrior Batch, where I teach working aspirants exactly how to balance work and study effectively. Thank you so much.